Yawning is not caused by tiredness. It happens when the brain overheats. Brain temperature rises during sustained attention, and metabolic activity creates heat. Neural efficiency drops as temperature climbs. Blood flow alone cannot correct it fast enough, so the body uses another mechanism: a deep inhalation, jaw extension, facial muscle stretch. These actions increase cranial blood flow. Cooler blood enters the brain, warmer blood exits. Neuroscience shows yawning peaks during transitions, waking, sleeping, switching tasks, moments when cognitive load shifts. Yawning spreads socially, not from empathy, but from shared attentional states. Brains synchronize demands. Temperature regulation follows. This explains why boredom triggers yawns. Attention drops, thermal regulation lags, and the system intervenes.